What's on the Shelf. I'm your host Jen, and today we're continuing with Littlewood with coffee and toast. So far we've got quite a few characters involved. We've got Willow, who is one of our best friends. We've got Delton, who is also one of our adventuring companions. We've got the bird dude, which I'm missing his name right now, Lilith, and the fisherman. So let's head right into it. So we need to chop some wood today. Great job to getting to level 10. Keep aiming for the stars. Level 25 merchant. Jeremiah Dalton helped me move some of my items this morning. He broke 5 of my antiques. That boy's a klutz. Dudley. So we've got some carrots that are ready. Let's see what we're going to determine is going to be what we work on today. So let's go adventuring with Willow, because we haven't done that yet. Whoops. Sometimes it rains. I like to stand outside with my mouth open. I can go a whole day without drinking from the pond. Wow. Okay, so you don't remember anything from before the Dark Wizard. Your favorite color, your favorite food, your favorite friend. Aww. Did you know that you can spark a romance with any of the townfolk? You're the hero of Selma after all. Who wouldn't want to fluff your feathers? I'm surprisingly single, but I'm ready to mingle. Aww. So what's your type? I like the strong hero type. Okay. We'll get our monies. Let's see, what are we gonna sell? We still have some lovely weeds we can get rid of. Where's Lilith? Lilith's up here. If I didn't make some friends soon, I will... No. Stay away, darkness. Aw. We'll be your friends. That's too nice of you. You're just the best, Maya. Come hang out. Lead the way. Hey, Maya. You've been checking your personal goals at the desk inside your house, right? If you haven't built your desk yet, I highly suggest you do. I did. So we need to chop wood. So we're gonna get a boost to cutting wood. We need to get wood anyways, because we're lacking. Let's see. And we learned that we don't want to chop the trees until they're completely gone. We want to keep the stumps because they regrow trees. I didn't know that the first time around. That was a pain. Ooh. Let's see. No trees back. Oh yeah, there are some trees back here. We don't want to cut that up. Get some fishes. And get some gathering done. So technically my personal goal should be done at this point. Oh, what's my next step? Collect carrots. So this one's going to be a little bit harder because I don't have that fruit yet. But I can definitely go and make some dishes and get some money from my dishes. I do not have that type. That's worth more, so that's what we're gonna do. Oh, I should also see what needs to be upgraded here. So we need to get some wood planks going for our quests. We got a good chunk of money now, too. We have time, we can change that around. Let's see if there's anything interesting here. Bricks. So we've got great oak chair, grassy carpet. Let's get the furnitures. Oh, don't have enough. Don't have enough. Okay. So we need to, you know, just mix some stuffs. See about some ore too. We need to go mining today. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, and there's the chest. Yay, level 3. Let's head over and get some mining done. Nice hot coffee. Let's see what we've got here. We can add some planks there. So let's see if we can get by to get the treasure chests. Oh, there's a traveler there too. A traveler brings gifts. Ooh, lightning spell. See, you should always check your areas before you leave, because you never know if there's going to be some extra people, extra stuff. That was one of the things that I was doing horribly wrong in this game the first time around, was I was just coming in and just doing everything willy-nilly. And now we return home. And we let you stop hanging out. And bedtime. Yes. There we go. Gathering level 10, which means we're heading to the forest today. Because we can get a new tree. Oh, another event. Time moves too quickly. Oh, Maya really is doing a great job with Wots. And I'm so glad that Maya is building a relationship with the other town folks. Life can be a hard journey sometimes, and it always helps to have friends to talk to. I sure wish I still had my best friend to talk to. I must remind Maya to enjoy everything. Never take anything for granted, even the small things, because those things might not be around forever. All time moves too quickly. Aww. Oh, I have mail. Yes! We have the palms. We can now build those trees. Dear Mapes, you're level 10 bed kitchen. I'm like double that. Congrats anyways. Thanks again for letting me stay in Wots. It's nice to have someone who believes in me, Lilith. Nice. Alright, so... We definitely wanted to go into the woods to get the gathering stuff. Build mode. Nature. So I can build more trees. So we're definitely gonna do that. I need to be level 29 to be able... Bummer. We're gonna keep those for now. Let's talk to the townspeople. There are special tools that can help you do special things. Jumping boots, pocket watch, and watering cans are very interesting ones. Oh my goodness. Last night I tried some pie at the tavern. It was the most delicious thing I've ever eaten. People always compliment me on my purple scarf. It's fuchsia, not purple. Those women are so gross. I like exploring the endless, but I don't want to get bug goop all over me. Oh, we have a new person here. Yay, monies. More monies. Lilith. Okay, this morning I made more progress with controlling my magical ability. Here, I'll show you this really cool spell. What? Now it's not working. Oh, poor her. Oh, you really mean it? Thanks, Maya. Hang out. Two, three, 4, 5, 6. There we go. I believe I talked to everyone. We're gonna go grab our gathering. Oh, what can we add to this one? Sure, 4 points to you. There we go. We didn't check on what we could add. Planks. There we go. The faster the buildings are upgraded, the faster we get additional things. Definitely more trees. Definitely more crops. Yes. Yes. We'll wait. Needs 4 bricks. We can do that too. Needs 4 bricks. Rose lamp. Plain lamp. Blue sky wallpaper. probably that for the money. Okay, we need to go chop wood. We just got the ores. That's done. So we can upgrade one other place, which we should do the wood. Nice job. Alright, let's head into the woods. Don't forget the carrots. We'll wait on the carrots, because the carrots need another day for all of them to patch up. How much do carrots sell? $4 each. No, that's not good enough. It's better if we go and do a thing where we harvest them instead. But we can drop the money there. Oh, we're unlocking the port now. Endless cave, endless forest, let's go. Oh, need wood, which is what we're doing. Leader of light mages is Dr. Elm. He has done extensive research on dark trees and hopes to uncover all the endless wood secrets. Are attached to their riders. They are capable of having a wide range of emotions. I just love the bugs. Whee! Let's go. Alright. Let's see what we've got here. We've got magic woods, we've got gathering stuff. Alright, we've got quite a lot here we can do. So let's first start off with this. Get the magic wood. Because these are harder to come by. Same thing with these ones here. Oh, this is an even more rare tree over here. These are trees you always want to get as much as possible. Because these are the trees you will need at endgame. Let's see what else we can do here. At this point we can just chop woods. The pocket watch is very handy. The one that Delton was talking about. I don't think we have any more weeds we can pick. No, so let's return home. We'll pick some weeds in town. Because I'm sure there's one or two around here. Or did we clean out all the weeds? Could have sworn we still had weeds. Huh, I guess not. But we can go into build mode and build another one of these guys. I guess that will be it for the evening. Stop hanging out. Let's see how my personal goes. They're coming along. We're doing alright. Yes, let's go to bed. So our stats are coming along nicely. Oh, another one. A ruined morning. Hey Dalton, what are you going to do today? I'm feeling super energetic. Want to run a few laps around Wots with me? There's no way I can run today. I ate way too many slime apples this morning. Do you want to eat some more with me? What a disgusting creature that Dalton is. Hey, both of you, leave the town square at once. It is time for my morning bath. Huh? Buzzy is here too? Morning bath? In what water? Oh. 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 That's silly. Alright. So we've got 5 letters. Hey Maya, I heard you got to level 15 woodcutting. Keep up the great work. Dear Maya, wow, you're 10 level cooking. Ooh, we got more of those berries. We can make more trees. I see you busy at level 15 crafting. Great job. All of us townfolk appreciate your hard work. Dear Maya, I didn't tell you this enough, but you are almost as beautiful as me. Aw. Dear Maya, you did it today. You used the fireball, and didn't blow up my house. I think tomorrow I'm going to try casting greater fireball. Nice. Alright, so whose levels? 18, 17, 16. So Lilith is still on the lower end. So you're officially the lady of this town, huh? Quite an impressive title. Not many people know this about me, but... Oh, I just remembered something. Silly. Okay, I definitely saw something standing in the edge of the woods last night. It looked like a creepy ghost creature. Well, that can't be good. Yesterday, Delton tried my plum berry fuzz. Can you believe he said it was just good? Some people lack sophisticated taste buds, I suppose. Get my money for the day. Ooh. Got some more. Oh, add stuff here. We've got some of those. Some of those we can add. There we go. Fly birdies. One day I'll prove fair wrong. I'll show her that I can be a lightning mage. I'll show them all. Oh, you really know how to make me feel happy now. Flying out. Alright. So, build. Actually, let's move this tree over here. I should really build like an orchard section. Yeah, let's do that. Let's build an orchard section before we go anywhere else. This whole section here can be put down. Let's make this the orchard section. Near the house and everything as well. Someone seems to be at the door. Alright, so let's see here. I know this can take a while, but it's so satisfying doing this. Lady, stop being a butt. Okay, we're almost done. We're gonna have to add some land. Alright. There we go. Now we can move our trees. Into our little farm area. Now if I put yeah, I guess I'll have to put space between. Oops, over one. There we go. There, now we can see when they're ready as well, and they're right near my carrots. So it's all good. There we go. So let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of you. We don't have any, so we will wait. There we go. I've talked to everyone at this point. Need bricks. We're gonna do mining today. I'm also gonna take a quick look over here. Oh, there's more food here. Oh, cabbage recipe. Travelers. Ooh. Don't have the bricks to do it. I need at least one more dish. I can't make anything right now, so we shall wait. Build mode, nature. Need to be level 5 in farming before I can do that. What's my level then? In farming. Oh, I'm close, but not there yet. Okay, I need bricks. So I need some wood as well. We're gonna make that many. Yeah, time to go mining. Off we go. There we go. Mining. Go talk to the cave guy. Toad. Okay, honestly, what do you think of my mining gear? Pretty sick, right? Get the goggles for only 50 dewdrops in the black market. Huh. What is this? Egg. Okay, so we gotta be careful of those dudes. there's a traveler over there. Traveler Asher. Accept the gift. What else is up here? 2 treasure chests. It's dangerous to go over there. Oh. Come on. Nope. Got it. Get some more rocks. It'll be safer if we go over this way to get these rocks. Yeah, we've got enough. Leave cavern. I don't think we got anywhere close to 40. No, we got 12. Return home. Let's see. Need to get some bricks made. One more. There we go. We can do that. I can drop another 200 there. You need bricks. What did Town Hall need? Bricks as well. Unlock new town wishes. Cool. Oh, we're missing 1 brick. That's okay. So we have time for 1 more day and then I gotta hop off. So let's do that 1 more day. Oh, a lonely girl. Sigh. Every time I eat at the tavern, people avoid sitting next to me. Do people not like me? Is something wrong with me? Maybe people are afraid of me. At least Mia talks to me. Yeah, I really like Mia. Aww. Let's see. Oh, mailbox. I see you got a green thumb too. Congrats on getting to level 5 in farming. Isn't it exciting? Yes, now I've got corn recipes. Alright, so this is where we decide how we want to set up things. Because we started making our orchard here. Put this tree over here for now. Oh, the fishy went away. Oh well. That's okay. We're gonna set this land up as our farm section next to the house. Since there's definitely going to be a lot of farming happening at some point. Flooring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I only have 3 cabbages. Oh, I only have room for 8 crops? Okay, I guess we'll start with cabbages. I have to be level 15 anyways for that one. Alright, let's talk to the town folks. Riding a wildebug. Some people find it quite scary. Nothing scares me anymore these days. Hey man, I got an important town object. Make sure to build Those right away, they give cool towns benefits. Build. I forgot to do that. There was one of them. I'm missing stuff for that, so that's not going to happen. Oh, there's a new person. Me and you and Delta made a pretty good team back in the day. Your magical sword fighting skills and my wind magic archery could defeat any monster. Delta helped too, I guess. Everyone's on and on about coffee and donuts. These bland tasting things aren't good enough for me. I prefer my herbal tea and green grass on toast if I'm in a good snacking mood. I wish I could control my magic. Maybe then I could be a lightning mage, but nah, I can't do it. Me, pretty? You really mean that? Hang out. Let's hang out. You get the monies. Oh, I got a cabbage. Alright. Let's see, there's a new person here, just, you know, chilling. Laura, my notebook. I just had it in my bag. How could I misplace all of my precious records all in there? It's not here on the ground. Maybe I dropped it over there. Maybe I... Oh, hello. Sorry, I didn't see you there. I got lost in my thoughts sometimes. I'm Laura. I'm a researcher of everything in the land. As you probably overheard, I'm missing my notebook. If you see one lying around, please let me know. I'll be back later. I'm going to look one more time in the forest. Huh. Okay, so she's missing a notebook somewhere. I don't see one around. Don't forget to add your stuff. We need like 3 more weeds. Or a bush. That wasn't what I needed. One more weed. Aye. Okay. That should be enough stuff to sell. I'm going to sell 1 dragonfly for now. So I've talked to everyone. Laura lost her notebook. We're probably going to have to go... wood cutting today. Nope, I should have said bricks. Yeah, we need to get bricks. I mean an oops. That's my bonus, but that's okay. Your favorite hobby are mining, running, and rocks. Okay. See if there's anything else over here. That treasure chests. Nope, doesn't look like it. Get a couple of these. and let's return home. One thing too is when you are, what's the word? When you are building things, when you go into the areas, you only get to go into them once a day. So if you die, or if you fall, or something happens, it's a problem. Every Wednesday and Sunday. I know I need that for someone, so we'll grab it now. Don't need wood. We need stone. Alright. Yeah, we need planks of wood for that. I just did money for that one, so we're good. That's under construction. So now we can cook with the sizzle pan. Let's see. Increase passive bonus and donuts from donuts and coffee. Nice. That is very good. I'm just gonna see here real quick. There, now we can go to the city. We won't go to the city until another play. We are gonna go to the woods real quick just to see if we can find some stuff there. Rare items, increases chance of finding fruit trees. Did you drink enough water today? Alright. I'm trying to find her notebook. Oh, we found another traveling dude. We can now do trees. Go away. Robin. Oh, we can get a replica. We'll get some more items here. I didn't see her stuff. So what we'll do is grab a leaf, cut some trees, and that's when we'll return home. And that's where we're gonna call it a day, because oh, hello. Sorry, didn't see you in the chat. Was too focused on the game. So we're gonna call it a night there, and we'll catch you guys next time.